Welcome to part 2. I have finally taken out the polishes so we can see these polishes in its full glory of beauty. They actually look so much better in person than they do in the video because for some reason it does no justice. But let's get a closer look and look at how beautiful each polish, let's focus here, looks. So beautiful. Probably too close. There we go. Focus. Oops. They look absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to try them. I'm also excited to do gradients with these wedges here because I've been doing nail art for a very, very long time, so please don't judge these sponges. I've had them for forever. Some look horrible, but I bought some new ones and I store them in this container so they don't get any lint in them or dirty. So let's place this here. And I got these, I want to say like over 10 years ago. Anyways, there was a pack of, I want to say like 50 of these, and I only have 2 left. And then again, these are really old. They've tarnished to yellow. I do not remember where I got these. And then, okay, as you can see, I don't do very much of gradients because I'm not that great. And it could also be because of the type of sponge that one uses too. But honestly, I think it's the user, hence me. But these right here are not tarnished. They still have that creamy off-white color on them. In real life, they are more yellow than in the video. But, so yes. So I don't have that many. I don't buy them often. Although I did buy some back in the day, they were known as BMC Bundle Monster. They had like they had like a pack, but those are still in bags, or they're still away because I still have all of these to use, and I don't like to open them if I'm not going to use them right away. But I want to get through these first. But these guys over here are very white, very they feel like silicone, and they feel very, very firm, and I feel like it's not going to absorb a lot of the polish, so I feel like you're going to get better application versus these here. Whenever I do a gradient or anything really, if I'm going to use a sponge, I normally wet this so the water can absorb into the sponge, so when I apply polish on it, I don't waste as much. But the downside is that when you sponge onto your nail, you get bubbly because again of the water, but it's the best way to apply it without wasting nail polish. These right here on the other side, as you can see, the thickness is very different, and it is also a lot bigger. So if you have longer nails, it should fit perfectly, versus these right here. Again, these I bought ages ago, so I don't know the ones now or Again, there's different brands, but you can see the size and length here. And also, like, I'm not even pressing that hard. And look at that. So let's try this. So if I do this, it like squeezes very easily. And this one I'm struggling to squeeze it together, which because there's so much, it like creates a indentation, versus this, it's like, oh, it's gone. So major difference. So this will help me to create better gradients than this guy here. So I'm excited to try that out. No more water, although like I said, I haven't done gradients in a long time. And when I do them, I normally with the sponge and then I apply. And again, it works, but you have to deal with the water issue. And these, I'm excited to not have to do that. Although it's getting dirty now. So you get a pack of, well, I got a pack of 6, but on her website, you can buy them. So if I end up liking these, I will definitely be ordering these. Although, like I said, I want to finish these first. But, of course, I'm going to be using Holo Taco, so I'm going to want to use the best. Now, there is on Maniology.com, there is a stamping plate that has an image. Let me see if I can find it over here. This is the stamping plate that has this huge space where you can put polish or stamping polish and scrape it off, and it creates a gradient for you. So if you don't want to use sponges with water, you can do this route. So I believe they currently have it in stock. Don't quote me on that. It's Maniology.com. And again, you can use your stamping polish and create a gradient with this stamping plate, which is the M052. And of course, it has all these, like, I believe it's called Pardon My French, or I don't remember. Normally, I write on the back what they are, but I didn't this time. So here's this. So there's this method. Of course, you can find these cosmetic wedges in any store or drugstore and higher end. Again, this looks horrible because it's been in there. And these beautiful ones that are very spongy. And again, they feel very silicone-like. It's very dense. So I guess this became a topic about sponges after all. But let's chit chat and more beautiful Holo Taco polishes. If you stuck around this entire video, thank you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will soon find out how they work.
Were you recording?
Goodbye.